While curriculum includes 2 tracks and some routing, this plugin is you can insert it in just about any mono track, duplicate it, leaving a space in the slot in the center. And by the way, the window is fully resizable. And in the center, you insert the plugin you want to analyze. In this case, we are going to insert PuiTech. And as soon as we insert it, you can see that there's a deviation with a little bit of loss of half frequencies, and this goes away when you move low frequency to 60, and it keeps increasing the highs when you move to 30 and 20 hertz. We also can see that the high frequency doesn't affect this at all, or anything for that matter. Well, I hope you found this useful, and this plugin can help you understand better your equalizers.